A generous heart, kind speech, and compassion are the things which renew humanity. Greetings to all. We, students of class 90, are here to present our weekly prayer service on the topic generosity. What is generosity? The quality of being kind, understanding, and not selfish. The quality of being generous, especially willingness to give money and other valuable things to others. There are many reasons why giving is important. It is a way to show appreciation, to say thank you, or to show someone you care. There are many people that we come across in our daily life that perhaps make our days easier, such as neighbors, co workers, even mail carriers, or the local cashier at the grocery store. While giving does not always have to be a gift, offering a kind word or a friendly smile goes a long way in saying thank you. Christmas is supposed to be a time of year when everyone can celebrate family, love, kindness, and peace. Christmas is a popular time for exchanging gifts with the family and friends, neighbors, and co workers. But Christmas is not all about receiving gifts, it is more about giving gifts and spending time with family. Christmas giving also provides the chance to help those who are less fortunate than ourselves and need more support. Charity donations are often more popular during the festive period. This is perhaps once again because we remember Jesus and how he helped those around him regardless of their wealth or status.
Generosity, in general terms, means goodness. The bitter truth is that in this 21st century, it is hard to find a generous individual, but a ray of light is always present amidst the darkness around. A generous individual will always respect the old and love and care for the young. A generous individual will always have mercy for the poor or any other individual who suffers from any other kind of disabilities. A generous individual will never break the rules and code of conduct of any institution or any organization, whether or not he or she is associated or disassociated with the same. A generous individual will always have the progress, his or her society and nation as a whole at heart, instead of just fulfilling their own desires and selfish interest. Generosity is not God gifted. It is an attribute that an individual develops with time.
So now I'm going to recite a short poem on the topic generosity written by Frank D. Sonnenberg. So here I go. The gift of giving. Give out of love, not obligation. Give when it's least expected. Give without strings attached. Give from your heart. Give of yourself. Give to show that you care. Give help without causing helplessness. Give something that takes personal sacrifice. Give to make a difference. Give without keeping score. Give for no reason at all. Give a little if you can't give a lot. Give without attracting attention to yourself. Give without being asked. Give of your experience. Give to those who need it the most.
Generosity, the habit of giving freely without expecting anything in return. It can involve offering time, assets, or talents to aid someone in need, often equated with charity as a virtue. Generosity is widely accepted in society as a desirable trait. In times of natural disaster, relief efforts are frequently provided voluntarily by individuals or groups acting unalterably in making gifts of time, resources, goods, money, etc. Generosity is guided principle for many registered charities, foundations, and non-profit organizations. Generosity can also be spending time, money, or labor for others without being rewarded in return. Although the term generosity often goes hand in hand with charity, many people in public's eye want recognition for their good deeds. Donations are needed to support organizations and committees. However, generosity should not be limited to times of great needs, such as natural disasters and extreme situations.
In December 1963, my father gathered my two younger sisters and me together and told us that he couldn't afford to give us any presents that year, not even our traditional treats of nuts, apples, oranges, and chocolates. My mother had a stroke the year before and was constantly going to the hospital. so there was no money for the Christmas. On Christmas Eve, we heard a knock on the door. Two ladies came in and gave us new coats along with some holiday treats. Our neighbor across the street had told her church about our situation and the people of congregation wanted to help.
May the Christmas season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter.
May your life be filled with love and happiness, and your year be full of positive energy and good vibes.
Christmas waves a magic wand over the world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful.
The magic of Christmas conspire to gladden your hearts and fill with desire.
May this season find you among those you love, sharing in the twin glories of generosity and gratitude. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. At last, I would like to say, Christmas is as much about giving as it is receiving. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.